Did it! Hi, my name's Tom, and it was about a year ago that I discovered that if you take a rather expensive camera, tie it onto the end of a fishing rod and chuck it into a lake, you get some pretty unbelievable footage of the water and its inhabitants. It was a completely unique perspective. However, I didn't just want to film the fish, I wanted to catch one on camera too.
No! You touched your hook, mate! Tom! You should have caught one today. That was really funny.
Oh, you're in. Now, admittedly, it was a rather small fish, going after a predator species commonly known as the Northern Pike. The setup was actually quite simple. I was using mackerel as my bait, which was very new to me, but after attaching my camera to my ultra-strong 100-pound braided mainline, the rig was basically complete.
Okay, and now I am ready to go.
All that was left was to pray and make the first cast.
Guess I probably should have checked the batteries.
Well, I guess it's the old sneaky double alarm trick again.
This is the part of fishing that maybe I don't enjoy so much. The waiting, the not knowing, and after 2 hours had passed, Jack and I decided that we should pack up and try further down the lake. We got on the move. We'd had a fish from the previous swim and for whatever reason didn't feel confident that it would produce another, but I won't waste your time. The rest of the session was a bust. I got lots of pretty video of the sun going down and this time lapse, which is kind of cool. But the day ended, we packed up, and then Jack and I stared wistfully into the sky and yeah, we realised that we'd need to come back the next day. Well, we're almost back at the lake for another go. When I looked at the footage last night, I did get a pike on camera. Unbelievably, it did happen. I managed to get one. The problem was, I must have been messing with line or something on the shore at that point, because I wiggled the camera, the pike saw it, and he spooked off. This isn't the park lake. I don't even know what to call it, but it's absolutely massive, and as such, hadn't yet frozen. It was a shot in the dark, or should I say a drop in a freshwater ocean, but it was our next best chance for a big pike, and to be able to film it underwater. However, with the lake being so large, I needed to cast a lot further and potentially risk snapping up.
Could you get a shot of me casting it out, like come to the side of me kind of thing? It's already recording. What happened? Oh, just a fish?
Yeah.
I about had a heart attack, bro.
I thought the camera was a goner. I nearly lost the camera.
I didn't know it at the time, but I was in 14 foot of water. 14 foot that was absolutely crawling with pike. I began setting up further down the lake. It was a lot quieter here and a lot more sheltered, and for whatever reason, I had a really good feeling about it.
I'm getting way too excited. This has been a roller coaster.
The only problem was that Jack had to set up a little distance away from me, making the experience somewhat less social. But on the good side, it did mean we were covering a lot more water, increasing the chances that a pike would eventually stumble upon our bait.
Okay, rod number 2.
Yeah, about there. Oh no way, my bobbin!
I don't know what any of it's like down there. It could be too deep, no light with the cameras, it could be weeded up. I just hope that there's a fish that's willing to take the bait.
I tried to chill out for a bit and wait for the bite to come before quickly getting bored and trying for a perch, but if I'm honest, my belief that the day would give us a fish was slowly depleting.
What's going on?
No way.
I'm in. Jack, I'm in! Woohoo! Oh no, it's come off! Oh no, it's still on. Yes! Oh, just as I was about to give up. Come on. Oh,
Caught one on camera.
oh yeah, literally.
Did it! I did it!
What do you say? I'm bussing, no cap.
I'd gone all winter without really catching anything that I was proud of, but that had changed with this pike. It wasn't the monster that was yet to come, but with it safely returned to the lake, I couldn't wait to get back home and see what the underwater camera had recorded. I soon realised that I'd landed in weed. I couldn't really make out the bait, and while yes, I had caught glimpses of the pike moving in and taking it, the filmmaker in me was disappointed and knew that it wasn't what I'd been hoping for. I needed to go back to the park lake. The clear water was essential for what I wanted to achieve. I wasn't going to settle. I had a plan, and I was going to make it happen.
Okay, let's find the edge of that weed. That felt a bit firmer. Okay, so that's actually a bit nearer than I thought it was. As long as I'm past that marker, I'll be clear of the weed. Is that the wind or is that a pike on the end? That's a pike on the end. I don't have a net out. Shoot. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh no, I hope I haven't deep hooked it. Oh yeah, yeah, fish on, fish on, fish on. That's a decent pike. That is a decent pike. I haven't even got my net together yet. I definitely should have done that first. Oh, he's so lightly hooked. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
I hadn't just captured the shot that I was after, but a very special fish indeed.
26. It doesn't even fit in the frame of the camera. I really wasn't expecting this. I was going to be happy if anything took the bait. Even I can't even get my words out. This is ridiculous. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you out there. What?